Chris Harnett, and then our sponsors are Cash, Jerry Sr., Mom and Dad, Grace, and again, Jerry Jr. So I want to thank all of our sponsors.
Car number 48, it's a Camry, driven by Hayden Stufflefield. The rider, Josh Plum. Sponsors are Barrett Chrysler and Barrett Ford.
The car number 49, it's a 91 Buick. Driver is Eddie Schoenfield. Rider is Tiffany Magnuson. All right. Sponsors, Barrett Ford, Barrett Chrysler, and the other trash man.
Car number 18T, it's a 94 Chevy Taurus, driven by Jordan Tobin, I think. Rider, Mike Vandergrift, and sponsors are Timberbrook Motorsports.
And our last car is car number 68. It's a Chevy Lumina. Driver is Jared Lamke. Sponsors, the other trash man, Stearns Towing, and Barrett Chrysler.
So if you got a Mini, get it on out there. We're getting it started.
Number 68, 49, VO.
Car 18, are you out there? Car 18 is a 94 Chevy Taurus, driven by Jordan Tobin. We need you out there, car 18.
Here comes VO. 517 coming up.
Hey, Wayne, you know what they say? They say that what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Yep.
I'm not sure that's true. I seen a baby with a t-shirt said, I'm what happened in Vegas.
One of the few things you say made in Vegas.
We're looking for one more car. Looks like
here it comes, right out
here. They're coming in.
Don't take out the post. Leave the post. Don't hit the fence.
Don't hit the fence. That's car number 18.
That's the one you was looking for.
That's that Jordan. Watch that Jordan, I'm telling you. These minis are a lot of fun. I tell you what, I've been in one of these and it is hilarious.
It is amazing how far you can go on spare tires.
It's amazing I was able to fit in a mini.
Well, I ain't going there. All right, whenever we get the okay, Tracy, you just let us know and we'll get her going.
That's the reason I'm the size I am, so it's easier for my wife to see me. That's my excuse.
There you are. Is she over there waving at you or anything?
Here's my cuz. He's selling hamburgers, hot dogs, all kinds of stuff on the four-wheeler there driving around, so you can come and get it. Tracy, are we close? Not yet.
Not yet.
Uh-oh, he's on the mic. He's trying to talk to somebody.
Tanya's keeping him in line.
Well, we know how it is. When you first get married, you're looking for 2 hearts and a diamond. At the end, after about 30 years, you're looking for a club and a spade. Yeah.
And after we get done with the minis here, we'll be looking for the cars in the stock division.
So after we get done with the minis, it'll be stock. Yeah, I think there's going to be a little break in between, if I'm not mistaken.
There will be a break.
Burgers and fries and dogs and brats and
soda,
beer.
Yeah, ice cold beer.
They got it all over there.
Hey, you know what? I think next year we ought to do the bikes out there and the flaggers at the same time.
Hey, that would be something, wouldn't it?
Oh, no, wait, that's September they're having their
Yeah, the figure 8 race.
That'll be something new.
That will be. A little bit more exciting.
Tracy's gingerly walking over to his flag. Look out!
He's going to get us a single in a second. I know. We'll start the countdown.
All right, he says, here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit him hard. Live action.
Well, that's what dude. 68 took off the other way.
Woo!
He's going to scenic right around the other lap. Vio's trying to get a run at it all the way to the corner.
Oh, yeah, here he goes.
Nope, no luck.
Yeah!
Vio over there. Far side of the track. Ooh, just barely missed that one. Don't hit on one.
Don't it!
Oh,
up over here, right in the entrance of the track. All right, get out on the track, guys. Get out on the track.
Hey, that does kind of remind me a little bit of Walmart. They're all trying to race to get out of there, eh?
Yep. All we need is a couple of cars.
Woo! Yeah!
You push the car after nobody hit it.
Get him again! Yeah!
Come on, she's all too long. Think you like that action up close over there. That's why he's drawing one over there. Easier to walk it that way. Look out. These guys can get up some speed out here. I thought it was going to be a lot muddier than this, but they're doing great.
They are doing great. I'll tell you what. There's some excitement out there.
And some really hard hit.
They got a lot of room to run.
I could have sworn I seen car number 48 go down.
Get him again!
I could have sworn that was him. He didn't have the sign on top, but it was a derby car.
It was a derby car.
white.
I think my daughter drives one of those derby cars.
That's what you need to get all your teenage kids when they start out. That way they put a dent in them, you'll never know.
Woo! Yes!
Car 68.
He's getting a little warm. Oh, get in there now.
Yeah!
Harley, 17 on number 48. Tracy's got him piled up.
Car 68 is smoking, but she's still moving. These two over here, 49 and 18, ain't been moving very much.
Ain't going very far. He's 18 trying to move. He's hooked up. 18's hooked up on 40.
Look out, there he is.
Hey!
What a hit from number 68.
Yeah!
Oh, he's in the middle of it all. He's really steaming now.
That looks like
Do it again!
Yeah.
to the side and just kept on going.
He apparently didn't get to the produce aisle in time, so he's on the move. Here he is.
Yeah!
On the side here.
We got one against the wall by the fans over there, and then you got three of them over here against the wall.
Yeah, we got 517 and 48 still going. Rio is already against the front wall over there. He says, come over here and hit me. Somebody hit me.
He says, knock me off the wall. He's hanging off the wall.
Come on, he says. Hit me.
Wait, there he is.
Here he goes. He's calling for 517. Nope.
They ain't gonna help him.
They're both fisting.
Somebody,
Hey, 18's out of the hole. 18 got out of there.
oh yeah.
He's on the move now.
They just only got us started. It's the wall.
Is he going to stay or run? I just got to get her going.
Oh, he's hot-headed! He's hot-headed!
Number
Yes!
48 from 18. There you go. Back that bar, 517, flying the ball. Look out.
Do it again!
He thought he was in a NASCAR race. He kept going left.
One thing about Derby, you can go anywhere you want. Except over the wall.
Yes!
That's 17. He's after him out there. He's still down there waving at him. Hey, come here and hit me. Come on.
Jeremy? He's waving. He's wanting somebody to hit him.
We got stains.
Normally you don't want that. But when you're holding the wall
my
like that,
granddad's
you
been
want somebody to
three.
hit you
This
so
is
you
his
can get
third
into
one.
the action.
At 517, my dad, he's been through 3 with that same car. And it still runs perfect.
We're gagging on him a little bit.
Well, it ain't gonna run more than Dave's done.
517 and 18.
Still going.
A little bit more smoke.
Just English. I mean,
Don't have to worry about mosquitoes. That's our mosquito truck here in March.
Yep. Got the two cycle going.
he might win this thing.
He's still waving wanting somebody to hit him.
He only got, he ran, that car ran through Raleigh twice, and
Brooks stick off. Yeah, 68. Yep, 68. He's out. Brooks stick off.
that granddad went
I don't know
through.
if he's in yet or not.
He hit the brakes.
Yeah.
Do what? Did he hit the brakes? I do that once.
There we go.
Look at he was going to get me over there, but he didn't. Oh, yeah. 517
That guy in the 48 car hurt my brother when he was here last Washington. My dad's getting a payback for hurting him.
Somebody hold the doors.
I guess it could go 4 times. Yeah.
Here comes
I don't know.
Look out! Oh, and 517 says, this is how we like to drive.
You better believe it.
Sit stop. We'll go to the front bumper hanging out there a little bit. That's good. Feel it?
He's going to tear it up.
Line it again. See what he can do.
As long as he gets the last hit and stays running, he's good.
Looks like Bio's out of the game, unfortunately. Got hung up on that wall the right way. He's not happy. That must have been his partner over there. I-17 still going strong. A little bit of smoke.
They got the last hit, so he's all good.
So we're looking
That
at
car's good.
1848.
That's the original motor in that car, too.
Breaking it off. So 48's out, 18's out, 517 looks like your winner.